In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find a registry on Amazon. Whether it's for a baby shower or a wedding, this process is simple and quick, perfect for those last minute gift giving needs, or if you just want to lend a thoughtful touch to someone's special day by buying a gift that's just right. First, you'll want to start by opening up your preferred web browser and heading over to Amazon.com. It's a well-known site, but it's always helpful to begin here, as it's the central hub for everything you're going to be doing today. Once you're on the main page, if you're not already signed in, look to the upper right corner of your screen where you'll see the Sign In button. Click on that and enter your Amazon account details. This step is important because having your account logged in allows you to complete purchases and view lists with ease. With your account all ready to go, let's head back to Amazon's homepage. Now, look at the top of the page, just above the search bar, you should see an option that says Account and Lists. This is your next click. It's sometimes easy to overlook given the plethora of options on Amazon's homepage, but now you know right where to go. When the drop down menu appears, search for Find a List or Registry. Click on it and you're getting one step closer to that perfect gift. If you happen to miss it, don't worry, just go back and double check. It's typically placed towards the top, so you shouldn't have to scroll down much. Once you've clicked Find a List or Registry, you'll be presented with a couple of popular categories specifically named Babies and Wedding. You'll want to click on this as it will lead you to the appropriate page where you can search for the registry by entering the name of the person who created it. Make sure to spell their name correctly to avoid any mismatches, et voila. With those quick and easy steps, you have successfully navigated to the registry search page on Amazon, making it simple to find and purchase the perfect gift that the expecting parents or newlyweds will love. Keep in mind that registries are created to help you buy something you know they'll appreciate, and it takes the guesswork out of choosing a gift. So, I hope you found this guide to be clear and helpful. Remember, whether it's a bundle of joy arriving or celebrating a blissful union, you're just a few clicks away from adding that perfect touch to someone's special day. Thanks for watching and happy gifting.